Imagine you've just launched a successful Shopify store. It's thriving, and you're starting to see a steady stream of sales. But what if you wanted to expand your business and launch a second, or even a third, store? How would you manage all of that inventory, sourcing, and shipping? That's where Spocket comes in. Today, we're going to dive into the question, can you use Spocket for multiple Shopify stores? And if so, how does it work? Understanding Spocket. Before we get into the specifics, let's do a quick recap of what Spocket is. Essentially, it's a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world. You can find products, add them to your store, and when a customer orders, Spocket sends the order directly to the supplier, who then ships it to your customer. The benefits of using Spocket. There are several reasons why Spocket is a popular choice for dropshippers. Here are a few key benefits. Wide range of products. Spocket offers a vast selection of products, from electronics to fashion and home goods. Easy-to-use interface. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to find and add products to your store. Shipping options. Spocket offers various shipping options, including expedited shipping and free shipping. Supplier ratings. You can see ratings and reviews of suppliers, helping you choose reliable partners. Using Spocket for multiple stores. Now, let's get to the main question. Can you use Spocket for multiple Shopify stores? The short answer is yes. Here's how it works. Create multiple accounts. You'll need to create separate Spocket accounts for each Shopify store. This is necessary to keep your product listings and orders organized. Sync products. Once you've created your accounts, you can sync products from Spocket to each of your Shopify stores. This process is straightforward and can be automated. Manage orders. When a customer places an order on one of your Shopify stores, the order will be automatically synced to your corresponding Spocket account. From there, you can track the order's progress and communicate with the supplier if necessary. Tips for using Spocket with multiple stores. To make the most of using Spocket for multiple stores, here are a few tips. Use tags and collections. Organize your products using tags and collections to make it easier to manage them across multiple stores. Automate your workflow. Take advantage of Spocket's automation features to streamline your processes, such as automatic order fulfillment and shipping. Communicate with suppliers. Maintain open communication with your suppliers to ensure smooth operations and timely deliveries. So, can you use Spocket for multiple Shopify stores? Absolutely. With the right strategy and organization, Spocket can be a powerful tool for growing your e-commerce business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.